Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Nick and today I'm going to tell you more about e-commerce and specifically about how to find the supplier of the product you see advertised either on social medias or on different websites you're browsing. So we're going to just look into my computer and I'm going to show you a couple of examples of websites that do e-commerce, and then I'm going to show you their ads and how to find the supplier. So yesterday I saw this ad of car seat head support for kids. So I just sent it to one of my friends and then I thought it would be really good to make a video about it. And then I had somebody visiting and I showed this ad and then I showed them the process and they found it interesting. And then I thought, wow, this would be interesting for my audience as well. So this is the ad and it just shows what this product does, shows the product in action. And it's just a random ad that you can see on Facebook, on Instagram, or maybe on different other like Twitter, different social medias you have like Snapchat maybe. And then as you can see, there's the ad and there's always a link where you can click. So here's the link. So get yours here. And if you know, e-commerce is selling online physical products, usually selling online physical products, but it can be other products as well, like digital. But generally, if you know, like the biggest website for selling online is Amazon, and the richest man alive is Jeff Bezos, and that's how he earned his fortune through e-commerce. And e-commerce is a huge part of online nowadays. Like people buy online for convenience, for prices, for mostly for convenience, but because that's how consumerism has developed through years. So as you can see here, this is the product page where they are selling this product, and I'm gonna show you like how to find. If you see like the product here is about $25, so $25 is gonna be the retail price for this product. But we can do this thing where we can just copy this image, where I'm gonna show you the first method, which is to see keywords. So you know there's this big supplier which is from China, which is called AliExpress. So we're just gonna type in these keywords and you can see here the price is $25. But here on AliExpress you can see the price is for the same product, same practical value of the product. You see it's $5. So we're just gonna open this one. As you can see, there's 3,377 orders were sold for this price, but this website is selling it for $25. So you see the gap here? So the gap is actually created through intrinsic value. And if you remember the video I made about value, you should definitely check that out. It will be in the description. And the intrinsic value is mostly created by positioning and by promotion. So they're doing promotions and positioning their brand. Like they're not just a random supplier. Like AliExpress is a huge supplier for anything there is. This this brand right here is specialized in this specific product. So they're selling this as a brand, not as a distributor like AliExpress is, right? So this thing that they're doing is called drop shipping, and drop shipping is essentially shipping products. You're just selling a product without actually touching it. So you create a website and you promote that product. You take the pictures from the supplier, put on the website, you promote it, you get the order, you get the customer information like the address and the money. You give a part of the money to the supplier and you give the address where they ship that order, and then they ship it and you keep the margin. So that's what they're doing. You see the margin here. So we're gonna do this example. So they have 460 and then once, so we're gonna do like some calculations here. So they are paying 460 plus the shipping, which is $2, is gonna be $6.60. And now they're selling it for 25 bucks minus 660 is gonna be 18.40, right? So that's their profit margin. Now 18.40, it means they can spend like 18 bucks maximum, and they're still gonna make like 40 cents. So that's their profit margin. But let's say, and that's how it's gonna be like practically. So they're gonna spend about $10 to make one sale. So they have $18 profit, and then $10 to make one sale, and then they're profiting out of each unit sold $8.40. And my best guess is that this product would have made like 100K probably. So in order to make 100K with this product, so 100,000 divided by the product cost, which is 25, it's gonna be how much is this? 100,000 times 25 divided by 25. So it's gonna be, they need to only sell 4,000. So 4,000 of these, and then if they're gonna sell 4,000 and they're profiting 840 for each unit, 840 equals calculus times 8.4, 33,600. And now that's how dropshipping works. So if you just need to put out a website and learn how to do Facebook ads, and then you can do the same. Or if you're not interested in doing e-commerce, like in selling online, then you can, when you're about to buy something, you see this ad and you see that they have this brand, but you just want to get the product cheaper, then you can go straight to the supplier, which is AliExpress, and you're gonna get the same shipping. That's why, like, when I started online, I was doing this, but I'm not doing this anymore because I don't like business models where you're not giving any value on top of what the supplier gives, right? So I would rather do like affiliate marketing or info products than do drop shipping. But there's a different way of e-commerce when you're creating your own products, when you're doing like print on demand. And I'm gonna make videos about this in the future. But for this specific video, I'm gonna show you one more example, which is going to be with an influencers. So when promoting these type of products, you can either go with Facebook ads or Google ads or other ad platforms that would sell you their ad space, so that you position your product in front of their traffic, so that you get traffic to your website and then you make sales. Or you can use influencers. And I'm going to show you an example of a huge page. So you see this page, which is sarcasm only, and it has 13.6 million followers. And now I just checked this page, like it was a random one, and if we go here, like their 9th post is a promotion. They're promoting these headphones, and you can see they're promoting this page, which is OS headphones. And if we're gonna click on this, it's gonna open their page, and you can see here they have the link to their website. And that's like, if you're just browsing on your Instagram and you see, and you want these that are a knockoff of AirPods, and you can follow this process, just find their product page, and this is where they buy, right? So they would click on this button and you would buy for $34.99. But instead, what you can do is you can copy. If you're using Google Chrome browser, you can just right click and then copy image address, and then go to google.com, and then go to images here, and then you're gonna click on this one, search by image, and paste that link that you copied, and then search by image. And then okay, so as you can see here, we have a lot of people that are selling this product, but you want the supplier. So we're gonna write here headphones, right? And then we're gonna do like site colon then AliExpress.com. And look what's gonna happen. They're gonna show you this supplier, and if we're gonna click on, for example, this one, okay, it doesn't show this one, but we can do it directly here with the keywords again. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. We can try visually similar images. Okay, so let's try this one, and we're gonna click on this one on the link. Okay, so here's a product page, and you can see like the price here is $8, but if we go back to the website, they're selling it for $34.99. And again, the thing here is caused by the intrinsic value. The practical value is the same. It's the same product. You just took that product, you made a website, you put the picture here, and you bought a shout out. That's how it's called. So my guess is that to promote something on this page with 13.6 million followers, it would cost from $500 to $1,000 maybe to have the post. It depends on the product, depends on how much time they will keep this post up, because they're gonna remove it soon. And then also depends on like how many you're buying, if you're buying in bulk. And then you can write messages to these people who own the page, and you can negotiate a deal if you're doing e-commerce and you're doing influencer marketing. Okay, so you see the difference here is again from $8 to $34. So we're gonna do the last calculus for this video, which is gonna be like 34.99 minus, like, let's say $9 equals, so it's gonna be 26. So they're profiting 26 out of each of these headphones. Each item sold is $26. Now let's say that they paid for the shout out $1,000 to have the post on 13.6 million followers. So it's gonna be 1,000 times 26. We're just gonna calculate how many they need to sell in order to break even. So it's gonna be 1,000 times 26, and it's gonna be 38. So if they sell 38 of these on this page, and I think they will be selling more than 38, then they will break even. And if they sell more than 38, that's where they will be making profit. And they will also grow their email list, and they will also grow their customer list. And it's just a great way to grow a brand using influencer marketing. But I don't recommend selling products straight out of the supplier. You need to brand it. You don't want to do simple drop shipping. You want to do branded e-commerce. Create a brand. And I'm going to show you a brand, and it's going to be Blendjet. They are running ads like crazy now. It's blendjet.com, and as you can see, it looks really clean. They have this website, and they have one single product, and it's this portable original portable blender. Okay, the word original is the one that creates intrinsic value here, so there's nothing more to it. It's just the logo and the word original, and then they're running ads. Okay, but portable blender, let's just look at this their product page. This is their product page, okay? And then we're gonna go again to our supplier, and we're gonna write portable blender. Okay, we're gonna sort by orders so it's easier to find which one sells the best. So $18 and sold 5,000. Okay, we're gonna click on this one. Just look at this blender. Okay, this one doesn't look so much like that one, but this one does. Okay, so this blender, and then compared to the one that Blendjet has, you see, it's kind of like the same thing. Okay, so I need to close a couple of tabs here. They even have a video, but okay. Okay, so they have the brand. Blendjet has a brand, a legit brand. They're running ads. They have thousands of customers. I'm sure they made over $1 million selling this product because there's demand, and then it's really practical, solves a problem, and their marketing is good. A good product with good marketing will generate a ton of money. A good product and bad marketing will generate almost to no money, and then a bad product with good marketing will still generate a lot of money. That's how it works. Marketing rocks. Marketing is important for anything you're selling online. And all these websites like this one, Wireless OS headphones and BlendJet, they're using Shopify. So if you're interested to sell online, Shopify is a platform that allows you to sell products. And you can see a link down below to the Shopify. You can check it out if you plan on doing e-commerce. And then Shopify is just the start. You can start out with Shopify, but the best way to get higher conversion, probably these websites are getting like 2%, maybe 3-4% conversion, which means from 100 people that go to the website times 3% conversion, it's going to be that 3 people out of 100 buy. And that's what usually Shopify has. But if you want more conversion, then that's what I've been teaching on this channel about Clickfunnels, which is another software that is specifically designed for selling online. And that's where you're going to get conversions from 5% to 15%, which means if you're going to send the same 100 people times, let's say 10% conversion, then you're going to get 10 people to buy. So that's the two softwares that you can use to sell online. So definitely I have a video comparing these two. There should be a link below as well. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, leave it a like. Let me know down below if you find this information helpful and you see like it just opened your horizon and you see way more than you did prior to watching this video. That's what happened when I watched my first video about e-commerce, about how this works. And if you like content about online marketing, about selling your product online, about starting a business online, definitely consider subscribing to my channel because I'll be posting a lot of information. You can watch it for free. I post 1 video per day and it's all about growing a business online. And other than that, I'll see you tomorrow in my next video.